Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Value added tax. Value added tax, a VAT, is levied on sellers of goods based on value added by them. VAT is charged on value added at each stage, right from producer to ultimate consumer. VAT removes the cascading effect of taxation, that is, tax on tax, as a registered dealer is entitled to adjust input VAT against output VAT. Merits of VAT. Simple. It is easier to assess tax liability of a firm by using the credit method. There is greater scope for cross-checking of returns submitted by firms. Minimum scope for tax evasion. VAT minimizes scope for tax evasion because the tax is divided into parts and therefore the incentive to evade tax by any one firm is reduced, and it is in the interest of a firm to account for the taxes paid by earlier firm through which the inputs have come. If any firm understates its output, it will be caught by the disclosures of the firms buying inputs from it. Firms are allowed to take input credit on purchase if they maintain all purchase records. Conducive to efficiency. VAT is conducive to efficiency since a firm is not exempted from its tax liability even if it runs into a loss. It pays a tax on the value produced and not on profits. It therefore tries to improve its performance and reduce the cost of production. Demerits of VAT. Complicated. In theory, though VAT appears to be a simple, the firms have to maintain enormous accounts and details of each transaction. Record maintenance and various types of exemptions, differential rates, adjustment of output VAT with input VAT is rather a complicated process. Revenue. Unless the rates of VAT is high, the state may end up with smaller tax revenue as against the collection from sales tax. VAT is imposed only on value addition. It is collected in piecemeal at each stage of value addition, so cost of collection and paperwork may be higher. Accounts. VAT forces traders to maintain elaborate and costly accounts. This becomes uneconomical, especially for small firms. Litigations involving adjustment of input VAT against output VAT often causes inconvenience to traders. Sen VAT. Sen VAT is actually excise duty imposed on manufactured goods. At the time of removal of finished manufactured goods from the factory, Sen VAT is charged. Under Sen VAT system, manufacturers are allowed to take input credit on raw materials purchased against Sen VAT collected from finished goods. Sen VAT is an indirect tax administered by Central Excise Department. Central government collects highest revenue from excise duty. It helps in reducing cascading effect of input taxation. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.